I'm way too afraid to put my money into the stock market. What do you do if it crashes and then you lose everything? First off, you are absolutely right that the market can and will go down at some point in time. But as long as you're safely invested and well diversified, you're not going to lose everything during a correction. Actually, the only way that you can really lose money is if you panic sell at a loss next time the market goes down. So if I just don't sell during a crash, then I'll be okay? As long as you know that you're not going to need that money within the next few years, then yeah, you're going to be completely okay. And there are things that you can do to protect yourself from potentially having to sell at a loss during a correction. For example, having an emergency fund. Once you get used to concepts like this of the stock market, it's going to start to seem way less scary. And you're going to start to think of it as actually a really important tool to grow and build your wealth over the course of your life, because it's going to grow more than it's going to crash over the course of, say, 30 years while you're invested. I guess I should start to learn a little bit more, because